Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not gonna make this long, but apologies, I have been gone for like forever and a day, but I'm back. I am back, clearly as you guys can see, with a hair video today. You can see I've done large knotless box braids, so I've obviously also done a split color. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I got these split color box braids. I will leave in the description all of the products I use, because I didn't show the products because, to be honest, I'm using the same things, obviously like leave-in conditioner, oil, eco styler. I need to get some like beeswax or something because I need to I don't know, like my parts and stuff are okay, but I just want to like tame it a bit more, and just like I will leave the colour for this hair in the description below. There's nothing else that I need to say apart from hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll stop talking. I hope this video is very useful for you guys. Make sure you guys do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, because obviously it really helps me out. And yeah, that is all I need to say. I will see you guys in the video.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So just like always, I'm just gonna do my thing and let you guys kind of watch, like not really much of a voiceover, but to start I'm basically obviously just gonna take out my hair. Just had it like in these little plaits overnight. Honestly, don't nobody come for me in the comments, because this parting is botched, okay? But it's good enough. It will have to do. So you part from ear to ear, and that's your back section. Then that back section, as you can see, I've just split into 4. So I want to show you guys how I did this first knotless braid. So I started plaiting it like how you would obviously usually plait like a normal plait, just to get a nice flat base, and then like 3 plait twist thingies down. You guys know what I mean, like three twist arounds down. That's when I would then like start adding in the hair. So as you can see on this plait, I start sectioning the plait, and before I start doing any plait, I literally grab a bit of braiding hair and I whip that bad boy in, so then the base is already firm, and then from there, literally each like plait, when I get back to the other side, the original side, like now, I add another bit of braiding hair in, and that is how I keep doing my feed-in knotless braids basically.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours.
Guys, I will say this every single hair video I do. I hate when this happens. Why all the time when you're doing hair this has to happen? Like, really? Really? Really?
You can a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you.
So now I'm going to use a little bit of Gots to Be. So basically what I do with this is I just spray it on my fingers, and I kind of just like rub it in my hair and just like do the plait, so then it kind of just like the hair just sticks to everything and it just comes out a bit more neater. I don't use too much because obviously you don't want your hair to be all crinkly up underneath that when you take out the braiding hair.
Your soul already at least in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, main bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I'm no walking up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Gloss and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see it up by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collar, we second up wallow and gualo and try get it mega buck. See them drippin' little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BM up. Think I'm deaf, got clothes in my right or left. How you drunk up the car, ain't no key in them. Just put us in they pockets, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scholars, new me in the prison. 150 flying, Richard Mello. But they got me to his temple, because I spit that flavor to the temple. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a ticket. Oh, he getting up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can...
look. Oh my god, I've got mad hiccup now. But this is the finished look. I don't know. When I don't have makeup on, I feel like my head looks big. So, yeah. I feel like with no makeup, my head looks big. Keep hiccuping. So when, yeah, I have the makeup on, so I feel like my head looks massive. The head is giving potato. So, oh my god, got hiccups. I'm actually really annoying. But I'm gonna quickly like tie it up, just so you guys can also see one hairstyle. It's probably be like my go-to. I'll probably just leave it like this. Yeah, that would do. But obviously not to make this long. As usual, if you guys enjoyed this hairstyle, if you guys enjoyed watching me do some knotless box braids, because I haven't done any knotless, I haven't done knotless in ages. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share with whoever the hell needs to see these braids. Show them, share this vid. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys real soon.